middle of the 19th century. July 1945, USA conducted its first atom bomb test, which was successful. So, a month after that, the United States of America dropped 2 atom bombs in the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan. 4 years later, Soviet Union, followed by Britain, France, and China, conducted its first atomic bomb test. Soon after that, USA and some other like-minded countries negotiated the Non-Proliferation Treaty to prevent nuclear weapons from expanding. This treaty came into action in 1970, after which the Nuclear Test Ban Treaty came into existence in 1996. 3 years later, Iraq arranged a secret nuclear program under Saddam Hussein. 12 years after this incident, North Korea announced its withdrawal from the NPT and successfully tested its atom bomb, followed by India, Pakistan, and a few other countries which hadn't signed the NPT and NTBT. This year, on 22nd January, the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons came into action. It prohibits the use, threat of use, development, production, stockpiling, and testing of nuclear weapons. The ICRC and many such organizations are telling countries to sign this treaty. The estimated global nuclear warhead inventories from 1945 to 2021. The number of nuclear weapons in the world has declined significantly since the Cold War, down from a peak of approximately 70,300 in 1986 to an estimated 13,100 in early 2021. The pace of reduction has slowed significantly compared with the 1990s and appears to continue only because of a dismantlement of retired weapons. Status of world nuclear forces. The exact number of nuclear weapons in each country's possession is a closely held national secret. Most nuclear armed states provide essentially no information about the sizes of their nuclear stockpiles. Yet the degree varies considerably from country to country. Despite these limitations, however, publicly available information has led researchers to estimate the amount of nuclear weapons held by each country.